Hi, it's Dr. Lynn Kenny. We're talking a little bit about musical thinking today. We know from the current literature that people, children, adults, are quite musical. Our bodies are very rhythmic, and once we're able to kind of establish some beat competency with our bodies, we're able to do things in life a little easier, such as sequencing as we're reading, understanding patterns, and being able to make choices regarding the speed at which we move throughout the day. This really helps our youngsters because many of them have not experienced the felt sense of slowing down. So they rush from place to place impulsively. So, one of the things that we can do with musical thinking is we can kind of, in an embodied way, help children experience what it's like to move quickly and slowly. So we'll just start marching. We're going to go right, left. So I'm mirroring you just as you'll mirror your children. And as the kids march, we simply encourage them to count in measures. So it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. Two more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. Last time we're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. And at this point, we talk with the students a little bit about how they were moving rather quickly. We call this quick Rick in musical thinking. And we ask them, when you were walking 1, 2, 3, 4, what was that musically? And there will be many kids who will say, even in kindergarten, that's a quarter note. And you say, isn't that cool how your brain and your body like to move musically? And then we show them the love notes and we show them Quick Rick and we say, we make choices about how it is that we move throughout the day, and we can move quickly, okay? And then we begin to teach them how to move slowly. Now, with equal ease, once we've introduced the concept of moving quickly, and usually quick for us is about 85 to 120 beats per minute. Generally speaking, a lot of people walk at 100 beats per minute. So the children are moving throughout their day at 100 to 120 beats per minute. Now, we can show them using Quick Rick how to slow down. So we simply begin, we say, come on, you guys, let's all move on the beat in time together. So let's stand up and we're going to march again with our right foot first, marching Quick Rick. So we're beginning like this. Now, because they've been introduced to marching quickly, we can simply say, all right, let's count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. Very nice. Now we're going to walk Quick Rick and then watch how we slow it down. We're going to walk 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and slow. We're going Quick Rick. 1, 2, 3, and slow-mo. Let's do it one more time, you guys. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slowing it down. Then we show them slow-mo and we say, listen, this is really, really cool because your brain and body are very musical. You can now make choices to do things more slowly. So imagine we're going to take out a homework assignment and we're going to do our writing. Well, instead of rushing through it like Quick Rick, We can go slow-mo, so slow. See the difference? And quick. And we can go slow. Or we can go quick. Now, I particularly love this when I get to go into preschool classrooms and the kids are lining up in order to go out and play on the playground. Once we've taught them the difference in the felt sense of moving quickly and slowly, we can say, all right, you guys, here we are on line together. And in order to respect everybody's body and their safety as we're heading out, when I open the door, we're going to go out like slow-mo. All right, so that's a little bit of the difference between moving quickly and moving slowly in musical thinking. Now imagine this. Imagine that in musical thinking, you can move quickly, you can move slowly, and you can move super slowly. Now, there are times when you need the students with whom you're interacting to be really calm and really slowed down. And this is really great for their self-control, response inhibition, and self-regulation. So we've introduced the children to Quick Rick, then we've introduced them to slow-mo. Now we have Thinkerbelle. And Thinkerbelle is a whole note. Okay, so imagine we've got a story in one of our books. I think it's in 70 Play Activities. It's a variation on a true story of a little boy who loved to go to school every day in order to see this lizard named Periwinkle. But the challenge is that the lizard moved really slowly, and the little boy moved like Quick Rick on a bucking bronco, really, really fast. And so the little boy would get to school and he'd go in to reach for the lizard, and the lizard would go and hide. So we had a beautiful conversation with that little boy about moving in Quick Rick, moving in slow-mo. We chatted with him about how slowly Periwinkle, the lizard, moved. And then we were able to help him slow down his body by teaching him how to move like a whole note, like Thinkerbelle. Okay? So if you walk in Quick Rick, 2, 3, 4, 1, then slow-mo, going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, Thinkerbelle, look at this. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because Thinkerbelle is a whole note, so she fills the entire measure and she's very, very slow and she's very peaceful. And so we use Thinkerbelle in lots of different ways. Like as an example, if you have a highly energetic or impulsive child and you're going to circle time and you want to really help that child learn how to slow down, experience the felt sense of slowing down, we can encourage everybody to sit in their places like Thinkerbelle. And they can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. And then you can say to everybody, now that we've calmed our bodies and we've calmed our peaceful hearts and centered our bodies in a calm way, I think that we're ready to do our activity. Shall we read our book, or shall we learn our new phonics? So you can feel that Thinkerbelle is this real nice sense of slowing down.